Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all of you. Hi guys, welcome back to my class BEEY 4413 Energy Efficiency class. Okay class, before that, do you still remember that what you have learned in our previous video? In the first chapter, I've already explained to you about the greenhouse effect, the global warming, and some of the policy that have been implemented in Malaysia. So again, in the way to decrease the greenhouse gas emissions and save our energy, it's important to us to know and study about the energy management. So for today, I'm going to share my knowledge and we're going to learn about the energy management. Okay, what is energy management actually? Energy management is the process of managing the energy consumptions in the organizations to ensure that energy has been efficiently used or consumed. It covers all aspects of energy consumption in the organization and involves not only machine or equipment that consume energy, but also looks for the best operation for the operator. To set up effective energy management in the company, you have to start from the top to the bottom. So one quote said that with good company structure and policy, the energy manager will be able to achieve his or her energy management goals. It means that a company structure and policy that support the energy management activities are the most important components of a successful energy management. Apart from that, an energy manager who fits into the company structure will be the one who drives all mechanisms to get the best results. Okay, now we go to the principle of the energy management. A sustainable energy management system needs full support from all levels of staff in the organization. The principle of the system is very much to focus on how to get the support from both the organization and also the staff. We can say that a good system has to comply with wider organizations' objectives or goals, be able to raise staff awareness and get involvement from all staff in the organizations, develop organizations and staff knowledge, support the continuous improvement process in the organizations, be able to integrate with standard working procedure or other quality system in the organizations. Okay. Here are some benefits of the energy management. It will assist the company to setting up systematic energy cost management to achieve energy cost saving. It can help to reducing operation and maintenance costs, increase staff awareness for energy conservations and waste minimizations, develop organizations and staff knowledge in energy management, set up an energy target and plan, prepare energy reporting system, and lastly, support other quality systems such as ISO 14001 and total quality management and so on. Okay. The process of energy management must be sustained because without sustainable energy management system, or we call it as SAMS, the organizations will not be able to control and maintain the saving results. So, why this sustainable energy management system is very important? Now, let's compare between energy cost cycle of the energy conservation program with and without using the sustainable energy management system. Okay, look to this graph. This is the energy cost cycle of the energy conservation program without sustainable energy management system. So you can see that in the first stage, the costs are high, so an auditing is being done, which can be seen that some easy savings are made. But due to the management focus has moved to other programs, therefore, the conservation program is not effective. Then the cost is high again, which eventually need an auditing being done repetitively. So, compared to the energy cost cycle for the energy conservation program with sustainable energy management system, in the first stage, the costs are high, so an auditing is being done, which can be seen that some easy savings are being realized. The energy management system locks saving in terms of continual sustainable development program, which eventually foresees more saving can be made. Further saving can also be made by having technical development saving program, and lastly, by adding some financial investment, more savings can be done from energy efficiency expansion. So it's very good to apply to the energy management system, the sustainable energy management system. Now, we go to the management standards. The first management standard that we are going to learn is ISO 50001. This ISO 50001 designed to support organizations in all sectors. So this ISO standards provides a practical way to improve energy use through the development of an energy management system. This ISO is launched in June 2011, which brought application with potential to influence up to 60% of the world's energy use. Actually, this ISO 5001 provides a framework of requirements for organizations to develop a policy for more efficient use of energy and fix targets and objectives to meet the policy. Besides that, this standard also use data to better understand and make decisions about the energy use and also measure the results. And lastly, this standard also review how well the policy works and continually improve energy management. So we have another one. Beside the ISO 5001, we have also another energy management standard, which is AMAS. AMAS is the short form of the Asian Energy Management Scheme. This AMAS is world's first regional certification system for energy managers and energy end users. The energy management system complying with ISO 5001 as basic requirement for 1-star rating for its certification scheme. The scheme is implementation 3-star rating. So from here, you can see that there are some energy management that cover under the ISO 5001, but not all not all the energy management criteria is covered under the ISO 5001. Okay, so using the AMAS scheme is the real energy efficiency improvement, which the energy management system is sustainable, which is you can see that under the AMAS it's not only cover the policy, the documentation, but it's also cover the train and certified energy manager, give a motivation, budget management, demonstrations of the budget spending, and also the demonstration of measurable performance improvement and project implementations. So this is the requirements comparisons between the AMAS ISO 5001 and EN 16001. Okay, now we go through the AMAS structure, which is the AMAS is under the accreditation body Asian Center for Energy, ACE. So it's accredited certification bodies to certify companies and energy professionals, and in Malaysia is under the Green Tech Malaysia certification bodies. And AMAS provide the certification for energy managers, which is energy manager training course, and certification for energy intensive organization, which is for industries and building. So this AMAS is launched by Yang Berbahagia Minister of Energy, Green Technology and Water in 19th of July 2011, and the Green Tech Malaysia has been appointed by Asian Centre for Energy, which is ACE, as certification body for Malaysia. And the Green Tech Malaysia has been recognised by Energy Commission, EC, or we call it as Suruhanjaya Tenaga, SD, an option pass to be registered electrical energy manager under the Efficient Management of Electrical Energy Regulation, or we call it as EMIR 2008. And this is a continuous development program, CDP, for registered electrical engineer manager. Alright, that's all for this lecture. I'm going to continue my lecture in another video, which I will cover about the energy management gold standard, which is one of the scheme under the AMAS. Okay, all, that's all for today. Thank you all. Bye. See you again. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.